I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen.
10 games, each 60 seconds. Playing with household items can make you $1 million.
Now, it's Minute to Win It.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Minute to Fill It, Classroom Edition. Ngayon, ito na ang ating jackpot round. Nandito si Garay. At ang kanyang kalaban para sa jackpot round, si Peter Atienza. Jackpot round. Since birthday ko ngayon, patagalan kayo ng pagsabi ng Happy Birthday Luis Manzanos. At ang inyong prize ay 1 million pesos! Go! Happy birthday, Luis Manzanos! It's correct! Oh. Hey man, I saw you on TV, and you won $1 million pesos in Minute to Win It. Huh? Was that true? Yeah. Really? Oh my
mayaman, sikat ka. Kayo na may bibili dito.
Tatlo.
Tatlo, 10.
Wala ka. Iba gagawin ko dyan. Sige.
Kaya pwede bang buy 3, take 1? Take 1. Kasi pwede ang kinuha nyo. Ako sa inyo.
First, you need to do demonstration. You must get that girl's phone number. Need one today.
Nakakainis mo ngayon. Niloko lang nila ako. Hindi ko akalain gagawin nila ako.
What? Did you notice Garay lately?
Yeah, they have it since it started treating us. I think it's avoiding us. I wonder what the problem is.
Yeah, no. Let's go.
Man, I'm hungry. Let's have some food right here. Where? Nakakasawa na maging mayaman. Ba't di ko na lang kaya i-donate yung pera ko para makasipin? Patay tayo, wala na akong pera. Wala ako ng pera. Ano kaya? Hindi na nanalo doon sa ano ah. Hindi naman akong ano dyan. Pera, sa'yo mo namimigay kang pera. Basta na. Did you see that? Hey, what's going on? Are you picking a fight?
Let's go get this guy.
Come on, let's get it. Hey guys,
We can handle this. Go.
Hey guys, stay.
No problem.
Don't mind it.
We're sorry too for what we did to you. You know, we want some friends.
Group
Panaginip lang pala yan. Ang sarap pala maging mayaman. Kaso, mahirap din. Mas okay na yung ganito. Karaniwan. At least masaya ako pati ang lahat. Good job!
and go.
Hey man, did you notice Garay lately?
Yeah, we haven't seen since it started feeding us. I think it's avoiding us.
Siya po kasi.